All right, this is Start of the Enduro at Muskegon Motorcycle Club.
Alright, we got the camera today on Steve Russell from the Muskegon Motorcycle Club, and he's going to run us through the Enduro Test, which is going to be part of the Michigan Sprint Enduro Series, and that's going to be held on July 20th. To my knowledge, the only race in July, so thank you, Muskegon Motorcycle Club. As you can see, we're a couple corners in, and we're going to go through the Enduro cross section right away, which, by the way, Muskegon has a pretty fun, but it's a mellow Enduro cross section, so everybody can make it through it. But, yeah, this test starts out up top of the property, which you just seen where we started. And I'm going to kind of talk you through this because we got a couple minutes worth of footage from up top here, and then we dip down into what I call the valley of the Muskegon Motorcycle Club. So one thing that's really unique about this place is you will not find any terrain anywhere else in Michigan, especially in our races, like what they have here. And you'll see in a few minutes coming up. But and of course, you know, we're just starting to burn in the course right now. So, you know, Steve's out front because he laid it out. Logan Densmore is right behind him, and then Zeke, which is another member of the club, and then it was me and a few other guys just kind of helping burning it in. And I think we dip in the woods, or dip down below in the valley, right coming up. But super unique property. This Enduro Test is going to be, like 80% of it is going to be a lot of up and down hills and a lot of off camber, as you can see. So as you can see right here, you're hard on the brakes and you're still sliding. The camera does not do this course any justice. But yeah, we have a lot of hill climbs, a lot of off camber. You're crossing a lot of bridges like this one. And oh man, I got really excited when we rode this. It was really well laid out, and you're not gonna have any terrain like this in any of our races anywhere else except the Muskegon Motorcycle Club. So I just highly encourage you guys to stop out. And again, that's July 20th, and then July 19th, which is the day before, which is a Saturday, they're going to have an open track ride because they do have a track. And you know, according to Steve, that's going to be prepped immaculate for the open track day. So yeah, it's going to be a weekend full of some really good riding. And yeah, as I stated before, it's, you know, it's one of our only races we're going to have in July. So but as far as the terrain here, yeah, Muskegon's got the goods. Also, before I forget, obviously we're just pre-running and burning in the course, but this is going to be ribboned and arrowed to perfection. So, you know, this is just to give you guys a rough idea. Still a lot of work ahead, but yeah, this is going to be ribboned and arrowed and really easy to follow, and just waiting for you guys to come and shred it. So, yeah, it was fun. It was fun getting to ride it, and, you know, I just personally want to say, I just want to give, like, Steve and the guys from the Muskegon Motorcycle Club a huge round of applause for all the hard work in laying out this course. You know, obviously Logan Densmore for all the work he does putting on these events, because, you know, when you kind of, you know, get to do stuff like this and kind of see how they're laying out the course and talking about, you know, where they got to have scoring and this and that, you realize how much work goes into these events. So I just want to give a huge shout out to all those guys, everybody at the Muskegon Motorcycle Club, you know, and especially Logan Densmore, like I just said, who puts on these events. Guys, it's a lot of work. Come show some support. This is what's going to keep our sport going. You know, if you love dirt bikes, be there or be square. Anyways, I'm out, so I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video, but I'm telling you, this enduro section just keeps getting better, and some of the biggest hills are coming up, even though you won't be able to tell by the video. Just trust me, come out and ride. You're not going to believe some of this. So, alright guys, I'll see you out there.